are found. It's gonna be a surprise. So, got the boys. Asher's over there reading a book.
And a spider in here.
A spider? That's silly, man.
No.
Where's a spider?
Right
Where?
right over here.
Right over there?
Yes, it is.
That's silly, Haven.
A knife. A spider.
Is it really a spider?
Yes, it is. No, right there.
Okay, well, Daddy will look at it in a second. It's gonna be a long travel, but hopefully the boys will like it and love it. I'm pretty stoked and excited. So we'll check in a little bit. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, we are at Denny's. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. Currently, it's Good Friday, and McDonald's is not even open on Good Friday.
Yeah, 2 McDonald's not open.
2 McDonald's wasn't open. So
Yeah,
we're at Denny's and we're the only one here.
yeah, because
There's Ash the Bash.
some people in this don't like this place.
What? Some people don't like this place. No, I think everybody's so sleeping. We're early. We're like super early.
Because we, well, no cars.
What? What are you gonna say?
Because we were driving.
Yeah. Good morning, guys. We are here. The big surprise was taking the boys to Colorado to go camping and playing in the sand dunes. So check this out. That's right, I said check this out. Look at that. That's pretty. Mountain still got snow.
And that snow is pretty flat. Because it's too hard.
There's the boys. Say hi,
Wait, are we
buddies.
going camping?
Yeah, I told you that.
I thought we were just going
No, we're going camping and we're gonna go play in the sand dunes. Playing in sand dunes. You'll see. It's gonna be fun. Right, Ash the Bash.
I don't know.
Okay.
I'm not asking. This is not asking.
We'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, we're here at the campgrounds. This road is rough. It's like what everybody said on the review. Look at this. It may not look rough on the video, but man, I'll tell you what, that steering wheel is not moving by itself. There are those rocks.
I say 2.
It's really wicked and rough.
This is mine. No, you said 1.
So,
No,
anybody wants to come here, it's called the Zapata Trails and Camping in Colorado.
No, I didn't. That was mine. I have to.
This road, I don't know if you want to bring your car, but I say an SUV or one of those Outback.
Outback, I only eat this.
But other than that, it's pretty rough, as you can tell. The steering wheel is just. But anyways, this is gonna be our view from the campsite. Right there. So we're actually gonna go get our spot reserved because there's no reservations. You actually gotta pay for it when you come to the campsite. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and look at the sand dunes about 5 miles that way. So we'll check back in a little bit. So we're at the Great Sand Dune.
Hi, dogs.
Look at that.
Hi, dogs.
That's nice. And that mountain.
Just eating.
And again, wildlife.
Like eating grass.
I'm a big nerd. And there they are right there. Got some deers.
Not deers.
They're eating grass.
But they're not deers. They don't have horns.
No, because they're just doe right now.
They're
They are deer.
does?
They are deer.
Ew. I see them.
So there's that sand dune, and that's the visitor center.
I see a wave.
And this is supposed to take us to a trail to the sand dune. So we're gonna keep driving.
I see it.
Boys are so excited. More excited than they are. I'm glad they're loving it. You guys love this?
Yeah!
Yeah.
I
We're gonna get our jackets on and walk up there in the sand dune.
and play in the sand dune.
And play in the sand dune.
Not me.
We're here. Now we're at the sand dune.
Let's
The
go.
boys are playing and having a blast. We all are. So there they go. And we're gonna try to make it to the tip of that top of the tip top of that sand dune. We'll see how tired they're gonna be, because I know their little legs are gonna be worn out. So let's do this. Try to catch up with them. Progress report. Literally from the last time I said we're walking to the top of that sand dune was at least 7 minutes ago. And look at here, got ace to base, 1 down, 2 still trying to run and jog, but oh, there's Haven. Looks like he's stopping. Asher is still going. I'm pretty sure he'll be tired when we get back to the truck. Alright, we made it all into the sand dune.
And I'm tired.
To that tippity top. Man, that sucker is way up there.
Look at that down there.
There's no way
It's steep.
I'm bringing them and then dragging 3 kids down the hill. Right, Haven?
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
I said over
we made it
there.
over here though.
I come back.
No, Bubby. Just stay here. We made it at the sand dune, but
How many
tell you what though,
under here? Oh,
the whole quote-unquote mirage,
my shoe.
that thing is farther than what it seems to be if you're standing where I'm at right now. That sucker's pretty far and high,
Under there.
and it's pretty cool.
I have to see.
Man, this place is beautiful.
Get into the ground.
A nice view. What, Ace? You leaving your hand in there? You find any hermit crab like we do at the beach? No? No hermit crabs up here.
I'm making smiley face.
So next up, we're gonna walk back, and we're gonna go drive. There's a trail that goes. There's a trail that goes in the back side that way and goes between the valley and you know, through grandma's woods. And here we go. All right, we just got back to the truck, and we're eating little snacks. They got some little snackables
And
over
Daddy's
there.
eating lunch.
I had some fruit and crackers and cheese, which I already ate.
Daddy's
So
eating cheese.
we're about to head the trails, finish eating first, and head the trails back again. Back on the road.
And let's go.
Alright guys, we just got done with the sand dunes and the trails. It was fun. Went to in town to get some logs, ice, and bug spray. And now we're heading to the campsite and it's noon. Review says that you better get there at noon because it does get packed. And the looks of it, we just got back to the trails and there's a lot of people now. So we're gonna head up in this rocky road and just enjoy the show. Alright, so we got up that hill. We gotta find our spot for camping. We found it. Oh, look at that. I already showed you my secret. Check it out. Bam! Look at that. That is ridiculous. Easy to set up. Real easy. But I like it. And it's an easy setup. Just goes to the tailgate. That's pretty neat. So actually fits a queen size bed in that cab. So that's pretty good. Oh, about to show you our view. So this is our site right here, and that view is just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Boys are playing. Gonna do some little fire pit tonight and cook some marshmallow. What's up everybody? Today is day 2 in Colorado. Say hi boys.
Hi.
We are gonna hit up this new trail. Here it is right there. It goes all the way up to the mountain. And so we'll see how far we get with this truck. So here we go. So we got up to the mountain. Had to turn off the video because it was too bumpy. Now we're going back down. So this is what it looks like, point of view. Right there. So we're gonna head back to our campsite. And see you guys in a little bit. Okay, here we are. We are going to Zapata Falls. It's about 0.3 miles from where we're at. And we're gonna walk all the way up there. So here we go. Check out the view. Alright, here we are. Last turn. Almost there. Sit right here. Ash the Bash just fell, but he's okay. Alright, Ash. And there's some more snow, boys. Hey. There's Zapata Falls. Hey, I need you guys to be careful.
What?
This one's really, really slippery.
Oh, 'cause water.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then
Hey, be careful and pay attention to what you're doing.
Okay.
It's pretty nice. Pretty. Step by step. Just be careful. Just move 1, 2. Careful. Got through stream. This is cool. Pretty cool, boys. You like that? It's gonna be. Hey, no running. Don't want you to bust in your head. I know. It's ice.
I'm Iceman.
Be careful if you get up there. It's super slippery.
Is it really?
Yeah, I'll let you know because you got the little kid.
Thank you. Did you hear what she said?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, be very careful.
Yeah. Like I said, 1 foot at a time.
I'm Iceman. Be careful.
Here we are, guys. Pretty neat.
Hey, see? That's
Say. Look at that.
Oh, thanks. I was gonna go around.
That's so cool. So we're at the falls. Look at this frozen falls. Boys over there. Hey, just stay right there, okay? You can't go up here. There's that. I'm gonna try to get a closer look. So there's that. Woo! You alright? So there's that. Woo! This is pretty slick though. Pretty slick. You can go up there, but I don't feel like going up there. Pretty slick. Yeah. It's an actual fall, frozen. This is neat. And something. That hurt. I just busted my butt. Alright, we just left Zapata Falls. That was pretty neat. Fell. One thing I got was this little pinky from grabbing a rock, trying to keep my stuff stable. But other than that, it's good. Nothing. Everything's A-okay. Boys are A-okay. Right, boys? Yeah. So, we got to visit this. Pretty neat. So, we are going back to the campsite. We didn't get to make marshmallows last night because it was very windy and cold. So, we're actually going to do it right now. And we're going to go build a bonfire.
What's that?
What?
I saw someone go over here.
Yeah, it's just another trails. It's just going to go farther. So, let's go back to where we came from, okay?
Let's do this.
What, Ash?
Let's do this.
Alright guys, we're back at the campsite. Got the campfire going on. It's the first time making a little campfire. And yes, I did cheat a little bit and use one of those fire starters, which is supposed to be easier and they last longer, and stack some wood on top of it. Hey, this is my first one, so don't make fun of me if I'm stacking those firewoods. Different than usual what people do, but I thought this was kind of pretty neat looking. So correct me if I'm wrong, but that looks pretty good. So boys are playing hide and seek. Ash, you guys playing or no?
Hello, neighbor.
Oh, hello neighbor. There's the Twinkies. So we're still looking at that great view. Still here at the same campsite. And there it is. I'll start burning right now, and then after that gets started, I'll let it burn for about 15 minutes and cook some marshmallows. Right, Ash? Go get them.
I can't. If they duck, then I can't.
Oh, okay.